Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Jacob Dev. Google just released the latest LLM, Gemini 2.0. So in this tutorial, we're gonna do a full test on it. Also, we're gonna introduce a few features that Google AI come up with. So that being said, let's get started. So if you go to the AI Studio Google.com, you should be able to test Gemini. You can see Gemini 2.0 right here. You can also search for Gemini 2.0, but it will give a different page. But let's test everything on Gemini AI Studio, which seems a lot more feature rich. So if you go to create prompt, you can test all the prompting here. If you go to stream real time, you can test the voice interaction. But with the also like you could test starter apps. Basically, it'll give you some of the other very cool features like spatial understanding, video analyzer, map explorer. So let's first test the create prompt using the Gemini 2.0. We prepared a bunch of prompts, so you can test them out. So first, let's say using a create a Python function, right, to sum up all these even numbers. So let's go to the Gemini and then test it out. Okay, so this is pretty good. So let's just copy and paste the code if we can. So I don't know if they actually offer copy and paste. So the interesting, they don't have a copy and paste feature. You should have that, right? So all the other platform have that. Let's copy and paste it. Let's go to IDX and try them out. So run the code. So okay, which is cool. So this is all correct. All right. So let's mark that as a pass. The second question: solve the following problems. If a train travels at 60 miles per 2.5 hours, then increase speed to 75 for the next 1.5 hours. Was the total distance traveled? So let's test that one. Okay. It's 262.50. This is correct. So let's mark that one as a pass. So generate SVG code for a butterfly, and the butterfly should have symmetrical wings and basic body parts. So let's copy paste the question here. So okay, let's copy paste the code. Go to the SVG website, test it out. So this is a butterfly, so that's a pass. Then the fourth question. We designed an algorithm to optimize the layout of a warehouse for an e-commerce company. Let's copy paste question. This is pretty good. So they have their structures, they have high-level approach, data collection and pre-processing, they have key algorithms, handling trade-offs and dynamic adjustment, algorithm workflow key considerations, which is good. So let's mark that as a pass. Question, create a Python implementation of Conway's Game of Life. Okay, let's do that. Okay. So this is cool. They have explanation as well. Go to the IDX, test them out, copy paste the code. Okay. So let's see if they okay, they shouldn't have the other thing. Okay, they have these two lines. Okay. Okay, let's go back to it. Okay. Run the code. Error invalid syntax. Oh, okay. Try that again. 81. Okay. With copy paste problem. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, this is good. Okay, let's mark that a pass. Okay, the sixth one, you have 3 gallons of jug and 5 gallons of jug. How can you measure exactly as 4 gallons of water? Okay, let's try that one. Okay, this is cool. So this is good. Fill the 5 gallon jug, completely pull the water from 5 gallon to 3 gallons jug, and then empty 3 gallon jug, pull 2 gallons from the 5 gallon to 3 gallon jug. Fill the 5-column jug with complete again. Careful, pull the water from 5 to 3. Yes, that's correct. Let's mark that a pass. The 7th one, a friend tells you they didn't get the job they really wanted. Craft a pathetic response that acknowledges their feelings and effort support. So let's paste the question. So short, sweet option. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. That really sucks. More detailed option. I am really sorry to hear you didn't get the job. Okay, key elements of a pathetic response. This is good. So let's mark that a pass. Self-driving car question. Self-driving car must choose between hitting a group of pedestrians or throwing unlikely killing its single passenger. What ethical considerations are involved in programming such decisions? Let's just copy paste here. Okay, this is good. Mark that a pass. Next question. What is your story about a time traveler who accidentally changed a major historical event? Okay, let's paste the question. Alara, a chrononaut with a penchant for the Victoria era, adjusted her temporal displacement unit, her mission, also the Great Exhibition of 1851. Okay, so this is good. Okay, let's mark that a pass. Explain the difference between irony and sarcasm. Test that out. Okay, irony, sarcasm, that's good. Mark that as a pass. What's the capital city of a city country whose name ends with Laya? Oh, okay, let's try that. Australia, awesome, great. Mark that as a pass. It's 33078 prime. It's not a prime. Oh, it is a prime, so got that wrong. Interesting. Let's try that again. Interesting. So they actually didn't. Oh, this is actually the prime number. Sorry, they got this wrong. Interesting. They have one wrong. And they have 2 apples. Then I buy 2 more. I bake a pie with 2 of the apples. After eating half the pie, how many apples do I left? Okay, let's pick the question. So therefore, I have 2 apples left. This is correct. Let's mark that a pass. Sally is a girl, and she has 3 brothers. Each of the brothers have the same 2 sisters. How many sisters does Sally have? Paste the question. Here's why. So basically, Sally has 1 sister. This is correct. So good. So that's a pass. Create a Python program that prints the next 8 sleep years based on user's input. There's a question. Okay, let's copy the question. Copy the code. Copies a little bit. Choose. Let's go to the let's go to IDX. Test them out. Okay, let's do a test. Enter the next leap year 3, 24, 28, 32. Oh, this is correct. This is good. Lastly, join this HTML page for AI company landing page. Let's paste a question. Okay. Just copy and paste the code. Okay. Sit into the HTML viewer. You can see this is awesome. Like the code is great and absolute gorgeous design. So this is a pass. So overall, I think they had one thing incorrect, but overall it's a great model. I think I had another review for the Llama 3.370B. So actually that model got everything correct, which is seems it's even better. But let's test other things of the Gemini 2.0. So they got one thing correct, but overall it's great. So the other one I want to show you guys is the stream Realtime. So this is also very interesting. So you can talk to Gemini. Let's say we talk to Gemini. Ask the same question. They did it incorrectly. So is 3307 a prime number?
No, 3,307 is not a prime number. It is divisible by 31 and 107.
Okay.
Okay,
This
do you have any other numbers you would like me to check?
Can you generate a SVG code for a simple butterfly shape? The butterfly should have symmetrical wings and basic body parts, head, thorax, abdomen, using basic SVG shapes and keep the design relatively simple but recognizable.
Yes, I can generate SVG code for a simple butterfly shape. Here is the code. Backquote, backquote, backquote. SVG less than SVG width equals 200, height equals 150x, MLNS equals HTTP.
And you can see that this is not exactly what you want, right? So basically, it read the code instead of showing you the code. So it's just doing the voice interaction. So, but anyway, that's the stream real-time feature, and then the starter apps. So this is actually starter apps. Let's say do some spatial understanding question. So you can actually just pick the images here, maybe pick one, and to generate the bounding boxes from all the different elements in the image. Just select the image, and then basically click send. Right, so basically they read the image and then detect all these 3D boxes. And you can see that this is actually marked everything, right? So everything is marked. So which is cool. But this feature already been implemented with Microsoft. Microsoft has a thing called Omni Parser, which I had the video in here, so you can check them out also. So this is actually very similar to what Gemini 2.0 offers. But that's from Microsoft. Also, the stream real-time feature we talked about in here in Gemini. I have another video using LiveKit and HTTS V2 to build your own Java's voice-only assistant, which is local voice assistant. It's very similar, or maybe even better than Gemini version. Okay, so but I think those two features, they are great, but also other companies already built it, and actually I built this one LiveKit plus XTTS. So so I think overall the Gemini 2.0 is a great product, but it definitely can improve further. And but that being said, hopefully this is helpful. If you do like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions. Thanks for supporting the channel. See you in the next one.